Now, let us see how to connect mBot to the main interface of the mBlock. Therefore, only when mBlock and mCore are connected together can we connect mBot to mBlock. Then, how could we connect mBlock to the robot mBot? First, we connect the USB cable to both the computer and mCore mBot. Open mBlock software and select the appropriate COM port. It will display COM number and COM port you have connected. After clicking, COM ports vary in computers. How could we find COM port number of mBot? Open Device Manager and expand port, COM and LFT to view. If you can't find the port number in the Device Manager, please try to install Arduino driver. Then find and select the port. mBlock is successfully connected to mBot, but they are not able to communicate with each other yet because communication demands the communication protocol as a basis. Let us install this protocol on the motherboard. First select the correct main board and then select the upgrade firmware. After installation, mBlock is able to communicate with mBot. Come on, test it. Turn on the small lamp on the robot mBot. Click this block to set LED color. The little light of mBot will turn red. If all are set to 0, the light will go out. What should we improve if you want the car to move on the ground? Yes, the USB cable is the answer. It restricts the travel distance of mBot. We can solve this problem with the Bluetooth module 2.4G module. Here we are using 2.4G module. It is even easier for 2.4G. First, insert the 2.4G module receiver into your PC. Pair it with 2.4 module of mBot according to the user manual. After successful pairing, click connect.